Today, I will show you how to set as default a custom wallpaper on Windows. Before we start, I warn you that you must have Windows activated to follow the tutorial step by step. It is possible to do it without activation, but it is more laborious to do it, and I will not do it in this video. Once everything is clear, let's get started. We will set the following image as the default background. In the File Explorer, we navigate to the following path, and in the Wallpaper directory we create a new folder with any name. I named it Custom to make it easier to recognize the folder I created. Inside the directory we put the image we want to set as background. We right-click on the image and set it as desktop background. Now go on Settings, Personalization, and in the Themes category we save the theme with whatever name we want. I also recommend creating a light theme, because in some editions of Windows the light theme is set by default. Select the Windows light theme and repeat the process we just did. Now from Run, let's access the local app data with the following command. Access Microsoft, Windows, Themes, and now cut the themes we've created and paste it in the following path. We need administrative permissions to perform this action. Back to Run, we access Regedit. Let's go to the following path. We edit the install theme string and point it to the theme we just copied. We do exactly the same with the light theme. Now we go to this path and do exactly the same. Once this is done, you can close it. If you wish, you can set the Windows background again, which I will do, since the custom background I set is already set by default. Now, I proceed to create a new user to prove that the default background has been changed correctly. Once set up, I log out from the current user and log in with the profile I created. As you can see, the custom background I set to default has been set. Thumbs up if you found the tutorial useful, would appreciate it very much. And if you are new to this channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe so you don't miss quality content. Bye.